What's the meaning of bushido? Bushido. Bushido.
Bushido. Bushido. Bushido is a Japanese term that refers to the code of conduct followed by samurai warriors in feudal Japan. It emphasizes virtues such as honor, loyalty, courage, and self-discipline. The principles of Bushido played a crucial role in shaping the samurai culture and their way of life. It held them to a high standard of moral behavior and expected them to adhere to strict rules of conduct. Today, the concept of Bushido remains an important part of Japan's cultural heritage and serves as a source of inspiration for individuals seeking to cultivate a strong sense of discipline and honor in their lives.